Hello, Jane Mott here, and fresh out the shower, as you can probably tell. Just before I went in the shower, I shared a picture of my daily minimal everyday makeup look and promised a video. Here it is. So I have cleansed my face and moisturised using an SPF 30 moisturiser, and I'm going to start with my Mary Kay foundation primer, Fat Grain of Rice. Goes on like a gel and it just smooths across your skin, making it feel smooth, silky soft, smooth, even. Concentrate on any areas of large pores or fine lines that bother you. It's got SPF 15 in it, so it's going to give you a little bit of SPF protection. Now I've put 30 moisturiser on it. That doesn't mean because I've put a 30 and a 15 and I've got 45. You've got the highest, so it's SPF 30. This is also going to act like a magnet to your makeup, so it's going to hold it in place really, really well. Now normally I wear a liquid and a powder, but while I'm isolated at home, or safe at home, I'm going to say safe at home, I'm not needing to put so much on. Now I like to do a stripe, and then blend with my ring finger. This is my Undereye Corrector. It's peach in undertone to neutralise the bluish, purplish dark circles. And I suffer with hereditary dark circles, so this is an absolute godsend for me. And you probably saw I just put a bit down my nose because it's a bit darker there. Just what's left on my finger, really. And that is a waterproof formula. It's the same formula as the Mary Kay perfecting concealers, but this is obviously the peach undertone for the under eye. So you just use it with the finger, with your ring finger. This is Ivory 2 Mineral Powder Foundation. These come in different colours. It's a foundation in its own right. It's got like a little talc shaker on the top, so you just turn that, tip a little bit into the lid, close it so that if you've got it in your bag or in your makeup bag or in your pan bag, it doesn't, all the powder doesn't come in the lid when you open it if you haven't shut it again. And then you just swirl the brush. This is a flat topped brush. It doesn't indent as much as a curved top brush when you press on it. So you just swirl it around these little circles to pick up the powder, and that's exactly how you apply it to the face. You don't want to put too much pressure on it because you don't want the brush to splay. You just want to buff it on the surface. People say I pull funny faces, but it's so I can get the powder evenly. Gently around the eyes, because that is the delicate skin. It's 5 times thinner than the rest of the face. So that's the powder and the brush. And then just to finish, lash primer. So although I was born with dark hair, the tips of my eyelashes have always been blonde. So lash primer is great just for coating them. Even though it's clear, it just makes it much. Any primer primes the area. So lip primer, foundation primer, lash primer, eye makeup primer. It primes the area ready for the next stage. You'll actually then find you use less of the next product. So some people say, but then I'm buying extra products, it's more money, but you use less. So with your mascara, you want to aim, if you stick your chin out and look down into the mirror, you can actually see what you're doing, and you want to go zigzag root to tip. Because if you're doing it like this, you can't see, and you end up just flicking the ends. So look down, zigzag root to tip. If you do it across to the other eye, be careful you don't catch this on your nose, or you can. So I'm doing it into the. I'm actually using my tablet, but I'm using instead of a mirror, so it's a bit. But yeah, you can see I've got mascara on, can't you? Not using my liquid eyeliner at the moment, but it's just a minimal bit, just so if I catch myself in the mirror I feel better about myself, really. And I also like to just brush that, where this has been used with my mascara, it's picked up a little bit of pigment, so I find if I just comb my unruly brows, it just gives them a little bit of tint. So that is my quick and easy, super speedy, minimal essentials, and it's literally foundation, prime. If you haven't got dark under circles, you can get away with your foundation primer and your mineral powder. Lash prime if you like it. Mascara. Love this product, absolutely swear by it. Got them in stock, so I'm still open for business, but I am posting them out to you. If you're very close to me, I will leave it on your doorstep. And my stock was bought prior to the coronavirus and has just been kept in my understair cupboard. So if you need anything, let me know. jmott.co.uk is my website. It's got all my contact details on it. ladyjane7@gmail.com. My Mary Kay personal website is maryk.co.uk/jmott. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home. Stay safe at home.